Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the AHK H 30-2200 CNC. The machines of the new AHK series with the additional designation H are the latest generation of our best sellers in sheet metal processing. The low-tension welded machine frame is a heavy steel structure characterized by very good workmanship and a high-quality finish. The large throat and long stroke ensure plenty of free space to accommodate complex bending sequences. The machine is equipped as standard with manually adjustable crowning. Motorized crowning is also available as an option. The pistons are ground with high precision and hard chrome plated. This greatly increases the sill's life due to low friction and low wear resistance. Linear measuring systems guarantee the exact synchronization of the two working cylinders. Another important guarantor for the permanently high precision of every machining is a robust back gouge, here equipped with the optional R-axes. The high-quality linear guides and the ball screws are protected. The stop fingers are positioned on smooth-running linear guides. The front support arms also run on a rigid linear guide. The standard tool holder with manual quick clamping ensures a comprehensive selection of bending tools. The upper and lower tools from standard configuration are hardened and ground and enable precise setup. The laser safety system is characterized by its practical functionality without the known limitations of light curtains. We offer the machines of the new AHK series with CNC control from the leading manufacturers of Cyberlek and Delem. The Delem DA69T option presented here combines user-friendliness with the latest technology. The touchscreen enables access to the tried and tested Delem user interface and thus direct navigation between programming and production. The DA69T offers both 2D and 3D programming, including automatic bending, sequence calculation and collision detection, and also convinces with an excellent graphic display. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer other interesting options for this series, and we also offer a variety of other powerful sheet metal processing machines. Contact us today to find out the best solution for your business.